Hi everyone, I'm Catherine Hermosa from BSBA major in Financial Management. I am already a third year college student and welcome to my book review blog. And I'm going to review the book of Blankets by Craig Thompson, and I don't have a physical book to show you guys, but I have here the front of the book, which is the blankets. So this is very simple, but the story is very amazing. And this is the author, the Craig. So the author is Craig Thompson. So this book is a graphic novel, and a graphic novel is a novel with illustration, and this very excites me because as an artist and as a person that into something like drawing, paintings, and I this book really excites me because uh, it has not also a context or words, but this book also have illustration that makes individual can understand better the story, because through the illustration uh, individual can imagine, can see what is happening in the story. And this book really excites me when I know that uh, this is a graphic novel. And let's start reviewing this book. So before I give you guys the book review, the review of the book, I'd like to share this brief overview of the journey of Craig's. So, Blanket follows Craig Thompson's life from his childhood to his experiences as a young adult. So, Craig Thompson's live in a rural which called Wisconsin. So, Craig has a strict family when it comes to religion. So, I see him as a grapple with his religious upbringing. So, navigate the complexity of family relationships and explore his first love with a girl named Yana. So, throughout the novel, Craig deals with the struggle of finding his own identity and place in the world. Blanket is a beautiful and heartfelt graphic novel by Craig Thompson. So it tells the story of Craig's life, focusing on his childhood, his first love, and his journey of self-discovery. So Blanket really amazed me because of its graphic. The illustration of Craig Thompson really amazed me, that helps me uh, to excite in every pages that I'm reading. The journey of Craig also relates to my life from his childhood, from the story of his childhood, and how Craig's grow, how the characters in the story grows, the first love of Craig, and of course the self-discovery. So all of those experience and the journey of Craig, uh, I can really relate, and it's amazing that I can relate my story to Craig's life. So the novel is drawn in stunning black and white illustration. So it is a black and white illustration capturing both the innocent and the intensity of his experiences. I really felt the intense in every page because of the illustration and the exciting story that uh, Craig's story has. And from the very first page, I really found myself deeply connected to Craig's story. As I have said, the story of Craig's uh, relate to my life. So like Craig, I grew up in a small town. So I live in Jose Panganiban. It is a small town with a strict religious upbringing. So just like Craig, my family is also strict and religious. So which shaped much of my early years. So reading about his struggles with faith and his conflicts he faced at home brought back many memories for me. So the conflicts that Craig encountered, the faith, he even questioned his faith, his struggles. Uh, it feels like nostalgic because all of that, while reading, while turning every pages, it relates to my life. And Craig's journey also of when the time or when the time that he questions his beliefs and seeking his own path, I can really relate to that. So I also have that pace in my life na I question myself. I question a lot of things. I question people and even my uh, worth. I question it. Does really life worth living for? Like, why life is really hard? Like, something like that. And I question my beliefs, my standards in life. And yeah, just like Greg, I tried to understand the world. And just like Greg, all of that, experiences in life, I overcome. So the novel also delves into Craig's relationship with his younger brother, which name is Bill. So Bill is Craig's younger brother, and they encounter a lot of fights, a lot of uh, experiences in life, and I can say that their bond that filled with both love and rivalry reminded me of my relationship with my younger brother. So my younger brother is already a college student right now, and uh, thinking of uh, our past experiences in life, our childhood days, reminded me of uh, Craig's relationship with his younger brother, and the way Thompson depicts their shared moments, shared moments, from playing in the snow, of comforting each other in tough times, is incredibly touching. So it highlights the importance of family, even when life gets complicated. It really feels like nostalgic for me. Like during our childhood days, para kaming aso't pusa, away bate in. Now let's proceed to the most impactful parts of Blanket, which is his first love, Craig's first love. For me, this is the most impactful parts because as a girl, I'm really into love story, and I can really relate to Craig's first love because this is the most intense part of life for me. So, Craig's first love is Rihanna. So, the relationship is tender and pure, yet filled with the intensity of young love. So, reading about their time together, I could feel the excitement, the doubts, and the heartbreak. So, di ba, kapag first love, it is the pace of that time na na you're really in love and ang iniisip mo lang is kinikilig ka, you're happy with the moments, your shared moments with the other person. And first love is really the most kilig part for me. So I could feel the excitement. I'm really excited every time I see the person I love. So I consider it as a puppy love, and just like Craig, I also have a first love and first heartbroken. So it took me back to my own first love and the lesson I learned from it. So Craig's emotional growth through this relationship taught me about the beauty and the pain of love and how it shaped who become. So before, super super akong affected when it comes to a relationship. So because it makes me happy, but also it makes me sad. But now that I've learned and grow, so hindi na ako ganun kadaling masaktan. I become stronger. I become more brave, and just like Craig experience in relationship. Through Craig's story, I learned about the power of forgiveness. So for me, before, forgiveness is very a big deal. So ibibigay ko lang siya if that person really deserve forgiveness. But if the person is not deserve to that forgiveness of mine, I won't give it him or her. But as I read Craig's story, I learned the power of forgiveness. So the importance of self-acceptance and the courage it takes to forge your own path. So Craig's story really relates to my life because I've encountered a lot of self-doubt, and it took me time to understand the importance of self-acceptance. So I have this space in my life na I really question myself, like am I really pretty? Like am I really worth it? So why my skin is like this? Like I'm morena. Like bakit hindi ako maputi just like other person? So it really took a lot of time for me to accept myself. And his experiences reminded us that, so yung experience ni Craig really remind us that it's okay to question what we have been taught and seek our own truths. So the novel encouraged us to embrace our past with all of its difficulties and use it to grow stronger. So Blankets isn't just a graphic novel for me, it's a journey. So it speaks to anyone who has ever felt out of place or struggled to find their way. Craig Thompson's autobiographical approach makes the story incredibly relatable and poignant. So it's reminded me that our stories, no matter how personal, are often universal. So reading Blankets was a moving experience that brought both tears and smile. So it is a story about finding oneself, understanding love, and the everlasting impactful of our childhood. So if you haven't read it yet, I highly recommended you this book, Blankets. So it's a beautiful reminder that we are not alone in our struggle and the journey every journey that we encounter. So no matter how challenging life is, so I've learned in the book Blankets that it is worth taking. So that's all, guys. I hope you enjoy my book review about blankets.